Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the new AI speech software known as 11 Labs. So in case you don't know what an AI speech software is, it's a software where you can simply input a text and it's going to read out that text in a human-like voice. So there are paid speech softwares and there are also non-paid speech softwares. The paid softwares tend to sound less robotic and they sound more human, while the non-paid speech softwares tend to sound more robotic and less human. Usually how these speech AI softwares work is that you have some text, you input it into the AI, you're going to select either a girl's voice or a man's voice, and this AI is going to read this text that you provided for it in the selected voice that you choose. So you can choose it to be read in a male's voice or a female's voice. What particularly caught my interest about 11 Labs is that some creators on TikTok and YouTube said that this AI can use your own voice to read out text. I'm going to be testing this out on the website. It's usually a paid website if you want to get this feature, but for you guys I'm going to pay for it and I'm going to test out if it can actually copy my voice and read out a text. Alright, so this is the 11 Labs website. You have this section where you have the voices. So these are the pre-made voices I was telling you guys about, where you can choose who you want your text to sound like. I'll come back to that in a minute. You have the text setting. So this is where you can input in whatever you want the AI to talk about. So I already have like a text. Let's copy this. Going back to these pre-made voices. So this is a pre-made voice known as Adam. Let's hear how Adam sounds like.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
Okay, then there are other voices like Bella.
You cannot find yourself by going into the past. You can find yourself by coming into the present.
Basically, I can choose any of these voices that I want to read out this text that I just pasted, and it's going to read out those texts. And I can play the settings, like I can choose to make it more variable or to make it more stable. If you make it more stable, increasing stability will make the voice more consistent between regenerations, but it can also make it sound a bit monotone. So if you make it more stable, the voice won't sound like it's a human being. It will just sound like it's reading it out in one tone. It will sound more robotic. So what I usually use is that I use the more variable. For more variable, it can make speech more expressive. So making it more expressive is going to sound more like a human being. For clarity and similarity, I usually leave it at high. Let's go over other features. I want to show you the subscription plans. Basically, you have the free one. The free one is just for you to just test it out. For the free plan, you have 10,000 characters per month, and you can create up to 3 custom voices. So you can have access to like Adam's voice, Bella's voice, and one other custom voice. Using the free plan, you can't get the feature that can clone your voice. It's best that you go with the starter plan. The starter plan is usually $5 per month. If you're a first timer like me, I actually paid $1 to get the starter plan. So if you get the starter plan, you can have 30,000 characters per month instead of 10,000 characters per month, and you get up to 10 custom voices. So now let's go back. So what I'm going to do is show you how this text is going to sound like using one of the pre-made voices. My preferred pre-made voice is Bella, so I'm going to use Bella. Let's set, okay, the settings are okay. Then you input your text and you select generate.
Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to register and use ChatGPT Artificial Intelligence Chatbot. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to be the first to get updates whenever there's a new upload.
You see how realistic the voice sounds? Each time you generate audio, you're going to be using part of your characters. When I first subscribed for the starter plan, I had 36,000 characters, but I've been using it for quite some time and I currently have 5,109 characters to use. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let us see if 11 Labs can copy my voice and be able to read this text. I'm going to record an audio using my voice and I'm going to upload it as one of these voice settings, and we're going to see if it sounds exactly like how I do sound. Okay, so guys, this is the audio that I want to upload. So I'm just going to play it out so you guys can hear it. Guys, my name is Dominion. I am a YouTuber. I'm a graphic designer. I'm also a student of the University of Lagos. I'm making this audio as a test. So if you want to upload your voice, what you need to do is select add voice. Then you're going to scroll. You're going to see add instant voice. Select instant voice cloning. So under the name, I'm going to put test for 11 labs, and I'm going to select the audio. I want to upload the audio. So let's look for audio. Let's search for that test. Okay, yeah, this is the audio, 11 labs test audio. Then once you are done with that, select I hereby confirm, and you select add voice. Okay, so what you need to do is go back to the pre-made voices, and you should see your voice there. Okay, so I'm going to go to the voice settings, and I'm going to make this more variable to be more expressive, and I'm going to leave this at high. So now let's see if it can use the audio that I uploaded to actually clone my voice.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to register and use ChatGPT artificial intelligence chatbot. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to be the first to get updates whenever there's a new upload.
Alright, for my review, first off, it doesn't really sound like me. That's the first thing that I noticed. And the second thing that I noticed is that although it doesn't sound like me, when I uploaded my voice, the output that I got was more realistic when it comes to sounding like a human being. Okay, so don't get me wrong, Bella and Adam, all those pre-made voices, they sound like it's a human being that is talking. But I feel like once you impute your voice inside the AI, it's going to sound more realistic, like it's an actual human being that is talking. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.